I think I had put in so much. If this time my character would have not been accepted or this film would have not worked, it would have broken my heart. I don't think I would have found the motivation or the energy or the drive to ever put in so much into anything else in my life again. So I'm glad, I'm happy, I'm thankful to God that He has reaffirmed my belief in the equation that I believe in, that honest hard work equals success. I think relate to Rohit more than I have related to any other character that I have played so far. Because I guess all of us in our childhood have walked that path one time or the other. The path of being embarrassed, you're not intelligent enough, somebody dances better than you. So I got Rohit from my childhood. Rohit, in very simple terms, is an extension of my childhood.